Okay, what I've got here is a lot of gum paste flowers. Now I purchased these gum paste flowers to save time because this cake is already time consuming. So what I did do is I purchased them in their white to begin with. And so what I did was I dusted them with a little bit of the lilac that I showed you earlier. I just took a little bit on the edges here and dusted them just so I could end up with a little bit of color. I wanted a little bit of pink. And then for these flowers here, I actually want to leave them pretty much white. These are supposedly cherry blossoms. But I want to give them a little bit of life, to give them just that yellow center. It makes them look prettier. And then I also want to put a little bit of green, this lime green. I put it just at the base here of these buds, just to make your cake look prettier. It doesn't take much time to do it, and makes them look a lot more lifelike. I also have some smaller blossoms here that I already dusted with a little bit of purple. And then the leaves, which I have right here, and they're dusted with the lime sparkle. I thought we should have a little bit of sparkle because this is a very feminine sparkly cake, and so I just do a little bit of lime sparkle here to make them pretty. And again, just store-bought flowers, make it quick and easy on yourself. I'm ready to put these on. I'm going to put some flour, a little spray right here, and the rest in the middle here. So I'm just going to use some Royal Icing. You can actually use the fondant too. And stick it in the fondant. I'm just going to use some Royal Icing and put these guys on. Take a little spray. Oops. And we've got some of the pretty purple guys. These guys have wires, and we can actually just shove them in here. Okay, and then some of the leaves. I've got a whole bunch of them that I did with the sparkle dust. Put that one over there. We're going to go ahead and do the same thing to the other side. Okay, go over here. You want it to kind of fall down like that. Oops.